select tracks in the queue and add their own selections.
All right, Lindsay, today Budweiser rolls out a campaign for its first non-alcohol.
I know, you're already repelling it.
I didn't even have one. Just so you know, want to be on the record with that. Its first non-alcoholic beer called Bud Zero. So it's billed as having only 50 calories. In fact, former NBA player Dwayne Wade reportedly helped create the taste and the packaging. Beer sales have gone through the roof during the coronavirus outbreak, and fortunately, you will never get a hangover. All right, Coffee Mate is out with its seasonal offerings. Included is a new limited edition holiday creamer, Toll House cookies and cocoa. Can we just drink it out of the bottle and skip the coffee?
I'm in so much trouble with this. It's not been
All
funny.
right, Coffee Mate's pumpkin spice and peppermint mocha has also kind of come back. The seasonal flavors will be available in grocery stores as soon as September. And it couldn't be a 7 o'clock newscast without Starbucks.
Yeah, of course.
So should we tell you that Starbucks is bringing back its pumpkin spice latte? I know it's pretty hot out there today. You can't think about hot coffee, but we don't know when
you
yet.
get ice too, Dan.
Yeah, that's true. But last year, the drink, hey, listen.
I'm personally
you're going to buy me a drink,
story.
I'll drink it. Ice or no ice. Hey, last year the drink returned in late August. Also, CNN reports that more stores will have curbside pickup, drive-thrus, and mobile-only pickup locations. More than 400 stores will close as the company undergoes restructuring plans.
You know what, though? We're on, day 5 of a heat wave, and I'm still, day 5. Okay, so, hey, September comes, I'm going to get myself a pumpkin spice latte. I'm going to have the seasonal creamers in my fridge. I'm going to have all that.
I was going to say, I know, you can always tell how warm it is when people, I bet people, you know, at the local coffee shops would tell you, you know, hot coffee or iced coffee, but some people will drink hot coffee no matter what, no matter how hot it is, Anthony.
I know, I commend them.
Yeah, today, 90 degrees, man, so we certainly got hot. Not as hot as the one we're reading. Looks like I'm having a little bit of an issue with that.
You know what? I'm gonna come save you on live television. Hold on,
Dan
here I
is
come.
coming to
Here
the
I
rescue.
come.
It seems like we're having a little problem with Anthony's mic here. Here we go. This is what we call teamwork, guys.
This is what we do here.
This is what.
Right?
This is great. That's a nice picture you got up there.
Got me now? All right, beautiful. Thank you so much, Dan. All right, so Scarborough Beach today, starting out with our chime-in picture from Mike here. We had the sunset, a beautiful shot across the region. You got the rocks there. Sunset is just over a half hour.